welcome to my channel. Today's video is about this product. It's from Oriflame, Sweden, and this product is called Milk and Honey Gold Smoothing Sugar Scrub, and it's good for removing blackhead and whitehead from your face. And it smells so good. You can use your hand to apply it or use brush to apply it on your face. After you leave it for like 3 to 5 minutes on the face, you can use your toothbrush, the one that you're not using on your teeth. The one that is not too hard also, that have soft bristle. The one that is not too hard. Easy to scrub your face. And all the black head, all the white head, all of them will come out.